So Utafiti Sera is PASGR's innovative approach for dealing with a very important development challenge, which is very limited use of robust evidence in policy making and decision making processes. Why is it important that good evidence should be used in decision making processes? Because you're likely to end up with better outcomes when you consider all the evidence that is available to you. You're more likely to have an inclusive process where voices of different sectors and groups in society get filtered into the evidence process. So through Utafiti Sera, which is research to policy in Swahili, we build what we call communities of practice that work together to tackle what I may see as very polemic public policy challenges. Those communities of practice transcend significant divides in our society, be they socio-demographic, be they economic divides, because we are able to bring together communities, the beneficiaries, so to say, of development policies. We're able to bring government, we're able to bring the media, we're able to bring the academic, and we're able to bring development partners to the table together in a safe space where the conversations are guided by evidence and the outcomes are as a result of consensus, which results in better outcomes. So Utafiti Sera program began about 7 years ago, so to say, 2015, with just 2 communities of practice, or what we call houses. One on youth employment creation and another on social protection. Over this period of time, we have realized significant growth in the program, not only in terms of numbers, expansion, but also in terms of the outcomes we are seeing, and I will outline some of them. One, we began with 2 houses. Now we are over 10 houses across the continent. We began only with Kenya. We are now present in more than 7 African countries with the program. In terms of some of the impacts we have seen and outcomes, in the case of Kenya, for instance, we run a house known as the Urban Governance and City Transformation together with Pamoja Trust. That house has made important output in terms of bringing social aspects of infrastructure development to the development process of our roads, of our infrastructure. Through it and through working with partners like the Kenya National Highways Authority and the Kenya Urban Roads Authority, we've been able to come up with a stakeholder engagement framework that effectively shifts the conversation from roads, railways being just mortar and steel, to one in which social aspects of life inform the design, the implementation, and the growth of our urban centers. So I use this opportunity to welcome our meeting participants from Nigeria, from Australia, from Kenya, from Rwanda, to this important convening. We hope you join us for some robust discussions, but also to enjoy what the Lakeside City offers in the country.